Luego General, I am Andre Joseph Yuguanlao, a freshman Emilian student here at Emilio Aguinaldo College. And for today's video, we are going to elaborate the qualities, the facilities, and the offers available here at EAC. Without further ado, let me tour you around on why EAC is considered one of the most dentistry colleges here in Manila. Quick history of EAC. Originally established in 1957 as a midwifery school by Dr. Paulo C. Camso, Emilio Aguinaldo College has developed into a prestigious establishment with a concretion on academic achievement and a variety of disciplines, particularly in the health sciences.
A wide range of programs in the fields of education, business, engineering, and health sciences, and hospitality are available at Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila. Dentistry, nursing, computer science, medical technology, business administration, and tourism management are among the essential courses.
Tuition fees and scholarship offered. For the majority of programs, tuition at Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila costs between 56,000 and 80,000 a year. Fees vary. For example, nursing costs 1,200 each unit with additional expenses of about 45,600 every semester.
Dahil mura and pasok sa budget ng magulang ko.
I would say EAC is a friendly environment for foreigners because the people have been welcoming and nice to me since day one.
EAC is a very friendly place. Everyone here is speaking English with me. Everyone is welcoming with a smile. So.
Yes, EAC is a very foreign friendly environment, and the people here have made us feel welcome.
I think Emilio is a foreign friendly college because even though majority of the students are not very fluent in English, they try their best to accommodate for the foreign students. Even the teachers, they will often translate Filipino things into English to make sure foreign students are included. There are also foreign representatives who can help you navigate the school life and offer you different kinds of services that you may need in Emilio.